Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Traffic Stop on Deadly Cartel Leader Ends in 48 Charges. 48? Woo-wee!
7th, a routine traffic stop on the Ohio Turnpike turns grim when an Ohio State Highway Patrol trooper identifies a passenger as Edenilson Velasquez Larin, a suspected cartel leader wanted for serious federal crimes, including murder and drug trafficking.
Good. In the 95 eastbound Colorado, Boy Henry Union.
I wonder what he did originally to even get pulled over, though.
Edward 56, Toyota out here.
Was he doing speeding? We're gonna find out.
Hello, how you doing? You got your license on you?
The two passengers are later identified as Bianca Garcia and Gabriel Lopez, with Lopez confirmed as a known associate of Velasquez.
Yes.
Okay, did you rent it?
I rented.
Okay, do you have the rental agreement on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but the person that rented it is supposed to be driving it.
Thank you. Here, I'll give this paper back to you. Well, the reason I got him stopped is because he's following too close. I'm not going to issue him a citation. It's just going to be a warning, okay? All right? Got to have it back in Denver.
I'm sorry?
Got to have it back in Denver.
Yes.
Gotcha. On the 13th.
Yes.
Gotcha. Where are you guys heading to?
To
To New York? Gotcha. What takes you to New York? Oh, that's where you're from.
Yeah.
What took you to Colorado?
Work.
Oh, okay.
Better pay.
Okay. Who you work for?
Bear Logistics.
What is it?
It's an Amazon delivery.
Oh, okay. I saw it said Amazon on here.
Oh, yeah.
So does your company rent it or did you rent it?
Before identifying the cartel leader, the officer primarily speaks with Bianca, as she is the only passenger who speaks English.
Oh, that's okay. That's why it's on here then. Worldwide discount. So you get a discount for it?
Well, because if you link your Amazon account to Avis,
Okay.
Avis account, it's like a gift card after I return the vehicle.
Gotcha. How long are you staying in New York for?
5 days.
5 days. What part?
Long Island.
Long Island.
Yeah.
So you grew up there then, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you like it there?
Yes.
You originally from the United States or?
Yes.
Oh, okay. How about these guys? How do you know these guys?
He's my fiance.
Okay.
That's his cousin.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Is he here on papers?
Who?
Does he have papers to be here? Like a work visa or?
¿Tiene alguna visa para trabajar? No.
No? Okay.
The officer becomes suspicious when he notices the group has no luggage or paperwork, and consults his supervisor before separating them for further questioning.
What's your plan here? It's 2 males and now? Yeah. Is it him? From El Salvador? We're going to New York for 5 days. They have like no luggage. I have an agent here who wants to talk to you. We'll go over and take him out. This agent wants to speak to you. He's going to have you step out, okay? Any weapons on you or anything?
No.
Pistoles?
No,
Okay.
not
Can I
that.
pat you down real quick? I'll check your waistband here real quick. Take your phone out right here, okay? Just gonna put it right there. Alright, come back here for me. Back here. Stand by here a second, okay? I'm just gonna put you back here for just a second, okay? Just one momento. Alright. Let's have a seat right here.
One momento. Where he learned that in 9th grade Spanish? He learned that in Spanish 1. One momento. What you talking about, man? That's the only Spanish words he know, man. But hey, I could appreciate the effort. Yeah, man. She's a trip. Her story don't even add up. And the officer did well. In the beginning, I'm like, damn, he asking her a lot of questions. But then as it went on, I'm like, yeah, her story don't add up. It really don't. That's why he gonna keep asking her to see if she gonna slip up and say something. But yeah, no luggage, and you going to New York? No bags, no nothing? Oh, none of y'all? Nothing? That officer did good work. He did good work. They definitely about to search that vehicle, man.
Hey, so right now he's being detained, okay? The U.S. Border Patrol, they might have some business with him. All right, so they might be taking him, okay?
What about my fiance?
Not sure yet. They're trying to confirm that, all right? But mainly this gentleman here, we're going to
He
start.
did?
The driver.
He did something?
Well, I don't know, but sent the information to Border Patrol. We work side by side with them.
Okay.
And they ran some things through their systems, and they might have some business with them. So.
Is that like immigration?
Yeah, immigration. Yeah. Yep, immigration stuff. So what are you guys heading to Long Island for?
Well, I was just going to visit family.
Okay. Where's all your guys' luggage at?
Mine is in the back.
Okay. Do they have anything?
Yeah. Well, my fiance does. I think his cousin also brought some stuff.
Brought some stuff. Oh, you have people following you?
Huh?
You have other people coming?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, right here in the back.
Oh, okay. His cousin. Okay.
But what about my fiance?
Well, they're just trying to confirm that. I'm not sure what they have business with them because it's in their database. For right now, they're going to be detained. Just detained. Okay. Not under arrest right now. I'll have this gentleman talk to you too. He'll kind of explain things a little bit better. Okay. Do you have any weapons on you or anything? Okay. Fix the car here for me. Can I pat you down real quick?
Yeah.
Just put your hands right here in your tailbone. That's a good check. I'm going to take my back of my hand right between your breasts, okay? Let's make sure your weapons on you. Would you mind taking your phone out of your pocket and just putting it right here on your seat?
I have both. My AirPods too.
Now, watch your fingers. I'm going to shut this door. All right. I'll have this officer explain it to you, okay?
So, are they going to, well, my fiance, I'm going to work on his papers because we have a driver. No.
Who's the driver to you?
Nothing to me.
Okay, what do you guys do?
Well, they're cousins.
Okay,
They know each other, yeah.
so your fiance's illegal also? I haven't talked to him yet. Admitted to me that he's here illegally from El Salvador. And who rented the vehicle?
Me.
You rented the vehicle?
Yeah.
From Denver?
Yeah.
Is that where you all live? And you're going to
Long Island.
Long Island?
Yeah.
Where are you going there?
That's where my family's from, yeah.
You guys have luggage or anything?
So I'm very confused. I'm like, what's going on? Like,
Well, we deal with a lot of human smuggling on this road.
I understand. It's just
It's a crime being committed right in front of me. I have to act upon it.
We'll have you come back here. Let's walk on this side so you don't fall on the grass. Yeah, like he explained it to you, okay? We're not saying you guys are bad people.
but it's just,
Yeah, when...
to me, it's just a normal day. We were just
Right.
trying to get there.
Right, I understand that.
And now this is happening, like,
Yeah.
only because
Like
they
you
don't.
said, unfortunately, we can't ignore when a step presents itself. We can't ignore it. We have a duty to investigate. All right. And there's a good chance you guys could all be leaving here, but it just depends on.
From what he said.
Well, that's not what he's saying. He's just saying he's going to investigate a little more. Okay. Is there a chance that one of them could be leaving? Two of them, yes. And there's also a chance that you guys are all going to be leaving together.
I'm just worried about my fiance, honestly.
Right. I understand that. How long has he been here?
Yeah, but is he really your fiance though? I mean, she said that a couple of times, and I've been looking at her hand. I ain't seeing nothing. I'm not seeing anything. You know, you listen. If you a fiance, you know what's supposed to be on that hand, man. So, what do you do? Propose to you with a ring pop? You know, I mean, I don't know. I'm just saying.
I don't know. I met him 8 years ago, so.
In the United States?
Yeah, in New York.
Has he ever been deported or anything?
Nah, don't come here.
No.
Nah, stay in
3 years of being here already.
Stay in Colorado.
So I don't think he's ever been deported because I've been with him 8 years after that.
Gotcha. Okay.
He also has family in New York, so we were just thinking we would all go visit.
Right,
But
okay.
now this is ending like so terrible.
Who's his family in New York? Who's his family in New
He
York?
has uncles, cousins.
They all live in Long Island?
Only one of them lives in, I think, Brooklyn.
Okay.
But the rest, in Long Island. We all live in the same, it's a small town.
You know, I'm not saying that, like I said, I'm not saying you guys are bad people, okay, or anything like that, all right? But when evidence presents itself that there might be some crime being committed, such as illegal status, we have to act upon that, okay? All right, so then mainly border patrol. Okay, we'll have you come back here, okay? We'll walk this agent here.
I gotta talk to you.
Yep.
From what happened?
Yep. Don't open that back door. Just go to the back one, okay?
I'm sorry?
Don't open this door. Just because the dog's coming.
Take a seat in the vehicle for right now so we can talk further it out. Who's the vehicle rented under? Your name? Okay. Are there any guns, drugs, weapons in the vehicle?
Now that's a damn shame. You can't even fit in the goddamn car. You can't even get in the vehicle.
Drugs? Oh, weed. I thought I smelled it. I wasn't. So are you guys, is this your guys' now or?
Yes. Let's search it real quick.
Okay.
And then I'm waiting for my boss to tell me what to do, whether we can just drive it off and drop it at the 91 exit for the rental company to get it back so we don't have to worry about it. So
Okay.
that's what my suggestion is. I know that's what Hen's done been
Right.
doing in the past.
He knows more about what's going on.
Yeah, all right. She said there's drugs and weed. She said there's marijuana.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of weed.
I told you I could smell it.
Yeah, I wasn't 100% sure. The wind's kind of blowing them.
After a 10-week trial, Velasquez and 3 of his associates were found guilty on a 48-count federal indictment and were sentenced to life in
Ooh,
prison.
MS-13?
Let us know your thoughts on this video in the comments.
Oh,
And be sure
wait. I didn't hear the I didn't hear how much time they got. MS-13 though? Yeah, that's.
And 3 of his associates were found guilty on a 48-count federal indictment and were sentenced to life in prison. Let us know your thoughts on this video.
You see?
After a 10-week trial, Velasquez and 3 of his associates were found guilty on a
And which one was Velasquez again? I forget which one he was. Okay.
crimes, including murder and drug
Okay. This is the fiance, right? Anyway, yeah. Oh well. Throw your life away. MS-13. MS-13 is no joke, man. Golly, man. Watching that. And they don't even got the tattoos like the ones that I've seen. The only time I really came across MS-13s was when I was, a CO in prison. Man, they was covered in tats, man. 13s on their face and everything. I'm like, they is no joke, man. Them Latinos there. See, in MS-13, it's bigger on the West Coast than it is on the East Coast, but they still get down though. I ain't gonna lie. They still get busy. But yeah. Cops did a good job, man. Great job. That guy kept asking questions, interviewing, like stories not adding up. Man. All because the driver was trailing too close. Something as small as that. You end up getting caught. And now, the next time you leave prison, you'll be in a box. Okay? Hopefully your family come get you. Because if not, you'll go to the prison cemetery. And you don't want to go there. That's where all the guys that they not known, you know what I mean? They just in the backyard, just no real headstone, just bodies on bodies. Anyways, so cops get a 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going.